you and your buddy or a small group, you should have a flag and float. And this is actually an inner tube. Yeah, you're looking inside to see it's an inner tube. And so this is just a fancier version. We have this nice nylon cover for the inner tube. It has a mesh bottom. And it sits on the surface, has handles on it, so you can grab it, use it for support when you come to the surface. You can actually put things in here, and all you can put stuff in here like beer, stuff you want to keep cool, or fish, lobsters, and so on. It's really pretty handy. This has been around for a long time. Not terribly expensive, and this is a good example of a very, very good heavy-duty flag and float with an inner tube. One minor problem you face these days is finding an inner tube. A dive flag looks like this, red with a white stripe. This white stripe is supposed to be 1 unit. What's that mean? Well, what it means is if this is 3 units across, meaning let's say it's 3 feet, then this would be 1 unit in width. So this would be 1 foot. Yeah. Now this is pretty handy. It's not big, but it floats very, very high because it's a plastic ball essentially. And when it's full of air, it floats very high in the water. It doesn't sink down. It floats right up like this. So even though it's not terribly big, it actually stays, it's quite visible. And you can see that on the top there's a rod that sticks in there, and there's a flag comes out of that, and you just blow it up and stick it in there. Now it's kind of unique because in the bottom they have a second chamber down here, and you can put some water in the bottom. This is some in it now. Water in the bottom, which gives it a bit of weight. And then you tie your line onto this rubbery ring on the bottom, and off you go. So you blow this one up, that's all one piece. So you blow the float up, and you blow it, and when you blow the float up, it blows up the support, and it blows up the flag, the whole thing, and the strings attached to the bottom. These are cheap, plastic, very, very tough. You can pick up the line at any hardware store, for an extra $5 it comes with it. So this is a really good idea too. There's a flag and float. There's like a big blow-up inner tube here. Bright yellow, and this bright yellow really shows up well. It's got diver below written on it, which can't hurt at all, It has a couple of chambers as well. There's 2 or 3 different chambers here. So even if this did get a hole in it, it would still stay inflated. On the side, look at this. So if you come up to it, you can grab it and hang on to it. So a couple of divers can hang on the opposite sides. A flag and float like this for surface support, in case you're really tired, or if you got caught in the current, you got something to hang on to mark a wreck, to help you get out, protect you from boats. So many reasons to have a flag and float, and they're so terribly inexpensive. Now you have some ideas of what's available and how it can be used.